right, so we are back with the next video. So you got to understand what a skill is. This video is focused mainly on skills. So Claude will forget everything if you close the session. This is the reason you want skills. So a skill is it's like a file that tells Claude how to do a specific task. It really saves a lot of time. So say you want to do a specific task, you'll have a file in there and we'll call that a skill. And Claude would just ask that file what to do instead of it trying to figure out what you're trying to say or what you're trying to do. What I want you guys to do, like usual, we're going to open up this file right here. We're going to open up our project folder and then type in Claude and you should get to right here. So what I'm going to do inside of here is show you example what it looks like on the file explorer view. So in here, you won't probably have this yet, but you will have a .claude skills, and then you have multiple different skills. So you got one skill, it's like a summarized skill. It's an MD file. Claude will look into if it needs to summarize something. It will save you tokens and it will understand what you actually want. Another one is explain or content draft. These are different little skills. We will show you, I'm going to show you in the future. We're just right now showing what a skill actually is. In the future, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them, things like that. But anyway, back to this. And another thing is every skill lives in its own folder by itself. So when you call a skill, Claude will read that file and do exactly what that file says. So let's get another example inside of Claude. I want you to say this. Well, I'll say this. Show me the skills folder in this project. So I'm just going to go look for it. You see the tokens going up and it shows me we've got the summarize skill, the content draft skill, and the explain skill. I just showed you that on the file explorer side, but this is the actual, you can access it in Claude too. It lists and explains the skills directory. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. That's basically the whole concept for what is a skill. The more important thing now is like, why do you need a skill? Like, why would you want this, right? And the reason for that is that without a skill, you repeat the same instructions every session. With skills, you write the instruction once and call them anytime. Skills are a reusable workflow saved as files. In our next video, we'll install one. We'll install our first one.